So there could be a tornado right now?
Right now, probably not.
You could put your four ways on so people can see you, but
Huh? No, that's hot. That's it.
So we're in North Carolina. We still have like, what, like 8 hours? 7.5 hours. It's so hot too, and we're not even like in the hot part of our vacation yet. Like we're gonna die down here. Also got a haircut like 2 days ago.
a whole bunch of people are falling over. It's kind of crazy how many people fall over.
I would too.
I'm not talking about rain anymore.
Yeah, this is all your fault. You jinxed us.
Where's the sign?
Where is the sign?
Won't be surprised if it's like New York and they just got rid of it.
Speed limit is 40.
Not to that guy.
Not to us either. Hell, I'm going 75. We stopped at McDonald's to pee. We stopped at
You what?
we stopped at a gas station because I didn't know where we were and if I had enough gas to make it through nowhere. And the gas station was
my God, it's
they
spring.
wouldn't use it.
It was flooded.
It was flooded. The floor was wet. So
I don't like that time that they just wanted to piss in the sink at a gas station.
I peed in a trash can.
and a trash can.
Oh yeah, that was cool, I think.
Yeah.
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 I watched him do it.
Yeah.
Oh, Lord.
Yeah, so anyway, fucking
It smelled like something died in there.
Probably did. I mean, asshole.
It just felt musty and like I didn't.
Musty and crusty.
I
Yeah,
didn't
we
touch.
touched everything with paper towels.
Oh, that's bad.
Yeah.
That's my parents.
I do have a device. Her name is Ha. She has a name. Her name is Ha. Short for her name.
Oh, I think you were doing huh?
Ha.
Like huh?
No. That would be a good one. That works too, because I still do that. She also has she has a home. It's Ha's home. Ha's pad. I forgot what I called her. Ha's something. Which way do I need to go?
Ooh, I got that one. I'm going right into like the middle of it too.
I like how we're amused by it. And just
She's used to it.
No, this is the wall.
Start. Whoa! Oh no.
You're not wrong.
Oh.
Yeah, hurricane tornado.
So there could be a tornado right now?